Hi everyone. Introducing the Smart Lookup Data Loader. The easiest and smartest way to import, offset, and sync CSV data into Salesforce. Designed for admins, power users, and data teams, this tool eliminates the complexity of manual data imports and ensures clean and accurate and reliable data every time. And importing data into Salesforce can often be slow, confusing, and prone to errors. Managing lookups, matching fields, and validating data usually requires manual effort, and mistakes can lead to data inconsistencies across the system. Here we will be giving a short tutorial of our Smart Lookup Data Loader that solves all of that with a simple initiative and automated experience. It helps you import large CSV files, perform a search and configure lookup fields with precision, all while respecting Salesforce security and sharing rules. So for that we need to go to an object and then open any record page. After installing the package, then we go into any object, then open up a record, and then click on the edit page and add the LWC that we have found from this package. That name is CSV Importer. So we will be placing this here, and we need to configure the object. We can use an object as per our preference. Suppose we will use the contact object here. I will be saving this. Let's activate the page. OK, we have activated. OK, now click on Save again, and it has been saved. Now, from here, we can download a sample CSV file of that object that will have the object APIs that are required as the title. So if we click on Download, we'll get a sample CSV which will have the object fields. And we need to place the record values here to insert or upsert. So now we'll do an insert here. We click on CSV. Now we have imported a CSV here. You can see that 3 records are available, and we can upsert by matching the fields. Now we will insert, so I'll click on Auto Mapping. We can see that which name is mapped to which column. And then we can configure the lookup object with the CSV column. The CSV that we have uploaded with the CSV heading with the lookup object field to match that which one gets matched and that ID will be inserted in the lookup object. And if you click on Run Import, we have our rows have imported successfully. Success. Now we'll check that Aisha Ahmed, Noah Lee, and Ravi Patel has been inserted. As you can see, Aisha her mod label. These are inserted. And this is how we can use this package for data import. And for the upsert or the update, we can match the fields that, which fields will be matched. Suppose we will match the first name and last name. So we will be selecting this and then, after clicking on Run Import, that will match the first name and last name with the actual record. If those guys matched, and those records will be updated. That's all.